Here we have one of our 408 500 horsepower small block Chevrolets. Just did some dyno pulls on it. We're doing a valve train inspection on it. You can see it's got Scorpion roller rockers. This has got the Dart Pro 1 cylinder heads on it. It's got an Eagle 4340 crank, H-beam rod, custom J&E pistons, tool steel rings in it. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller by Comp Cams. It's got a upgraded rear self oil pan. It's got the Edelbrock air gap. Quick Fuel SS 750. MSD Pro billet, custom wires. Real nice little small block Chevrolet, makes a ton of torque. Well over 500 foot-pounds of torque down low. Really nice little motors. Go ahead and button her back up. Make some more pulls on it.